everybody. Well, in the olden times, let's go first. This statue is over here because there was a governor who was hunting the deer. And the deer leap from one mountain. Sprung means the leap of the deer. The deer were charged to buy souvenirs from the Black Forest. The major souvenir of the Black Forest obviously is the Cuckoo clock, which is made in the Black Forest itself. That is really good. And then the other souvenirs. What is also good is that since they've been going to Switzerland, there's something called the travel tax refund, VAT refund, VAT. Yeah. Sound and things like that. So it's nice. After that, we go in and we will do the. See the 12:30, yeah? Come on. What can we do now?
Okay, where?
Very good.
You 1 kilometer. New York, 6,072 kilometers.
Okay, Frank. Just come this way for the demonstration. You're from India? Most of you are from India?
Yeah.
Whole India.
Where? All from India? Which city? Which place? Where are you
Many
from?
places.
Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. Well, what's
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh? Do I say it right?
Yeah.
Oh, namaste. 2 more? Oh yeah, okay. So I'll start by telling you about, in fact I'm only going to talk about clocks. This is a model of one of the first ever clocks. It's made in 1604? I have to check sometimes. It's made 370 years ago, 1640. So, looks a bit funny, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very funny.
Yeah, very funny. It's got 1 hand instead of 2, so it wasn't very accurate. And it's got these 2 weights, these 2 stones, driving the one, and it doesn't make a sound either. Yeah? It doesn't make a cuckoo sound. So if you want the sound, so that came a bit more than 100 years later. Now this one is different. It obviously has, instead of the stones, it has the metal weights, and it's also got a pendulum as well. Okay? So it's got a pendulum and 2 metal weights. It's a cuckoo. Now do you think it's a female cuckoo bird or a male cuckoo bird?
Female.
Female? Why?
Male.
Well, it's a female. The hour, we'll see what this guy does. He starts eating his dumplings. That's why it's called the dumpling eater, the Knödelfresser. Anybody speak German here? No one? Well, it's the dumpling eater. Okay, the dumpling eater. Now this one here, for some reason we call it the mother-in-law clock. Now I think that'd be the Sasuma. Sasuma clock. Mother-in-law. We'll see why. Maybe some of you can identify with this. So, the mother-in-law clock. Now, what we do is we offer a souvenir for any mother-in-laws who need one. If it's a weekly winding clock or a daily winding.
How many
These, the weights. Yeah, exactly. So you look at the size of. Does it look what's special about? Kept it in the railway stations. And the railway stations, trains are very important in Germany. They still are and have been for many years. The farmhouse or in the hotel. I'll just show you this one here. It's got the dancing figures at the top, which will start dancing in a minute. As you can see. Yeah.
Same thing outside.
The same as outside. Yeah, exactly. They're the same one as well. Not as big. Okay. Now, I think you're all wondering, how do we make these clocks, yes?
Yes.
Now, I can see it on your faces. You're wondering, how do you make a clock? So, the question is, what goes inside the clock? Now, one of these goes inside the clock. I have an idea about how a clock works. Yes. If you follow me, please. To the counter, then I can take
Đâu qua kia nó biết không? Đâu qua không? Ich bin wie geachtet. Ich bin wie geachtet.